Hi, I'll be explaining how to create a vertical video. Create a new project, type dance video or something. I would like to save it here on my desktop. Say OK, and then go to File, go to New, Sequence, go to Settings, keep it in Custom. The frame rate should be according to the video frame rate. So here I'm going to choose 25 frames. The horizontal frame size would be 1080 and 1920 would be the vertical frame size. I would like to keep it in square pixels and give a sequence name like dance video or something. Click OK. Go to the project, import your video. So I'm going to import all these videos. All these are stock footage. Now, if you see, some videos are keep existing settings. If you change sequence settings, it'll take the setting of this video. Since we have already set the sequence, keep this settings. Now I'll tell you how to manipulate that. Now if you notice, this footage is scaled up. So let's see what's the settings of this video. Right click and click on reveal in Finder. If you say get info and go to more info, you'll notice that this is the dimension. It is almost 4K video. So how do we scale down to 1080p? I'll just show it to you. Just a simple click, right click, click on scale to frame size. That's it. So there we have it. Now this video is getting cut. Go to effect controls, go to position, you can scale down. Now we have black space on top and bottom. So to fix that, hold Option in Mac and Alt in Windows. Click and drag the video. It will make a duplicate. So I would like to hide the top video and click on this. Go to FX and scale it up. And I would like to add an effect which is Gaussian blur. That would do. Now I'll hide this video. So when you play this, it's gonna look like this. You can also choose to scale it up as much as you want. If you want to move it during the dance, that is also possible by using keyframes. I'm going to use a keyframe for position here. So my first frame looks like this. So I'm just going to zoom in here by pressing plus. So at this position, I would like the video to be like this. Then when I keep playing, so here she is moving towards the right. So I would like to add a keyframe here and move it here like this. Again, I'm going to move it like that. Towards the end, I'm going to keep it. Okay, can't move further. I'm going to leave it there. And that keyframe would be somewhere here. I'm just going to push it towards the end. So when you play the final video, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. You can notice that the screen is moving there. Yes, something like that. And same thing with this. Right click, scale to frame size, Alt or Option, go down, scale, add an effect Gaussian blur. You can add the blurriness as you like. I'm going to click on this video, scale it up. I'm going to try and keep the dancer always in the center. So that's the main thing that I'm doing. Now when you look at the video, this is how it's going to look. And if you just want to keep the video as it is without adding any effects, you can just leave it black like this, and that will do. And to export, click on File, click on export, go to media. Here leave the format at H264 because that is recommended by YouTube if you are doing this video for YouTube, and preset can be, if you want the highest file size, highest resolution, leave it on high bitrate. If you want to reduce the file size, right now it's 62 MB. If you want to make it for WhatsApp, you can reduce it to less than 60 MB, which will be this one. So yeah, I would like to leave it at high bitrate. Save it wherever you want, and then click on export if you want to export it in Premiere itself, and click on Q if you want to export it with Media Encoder. That's it guys, this is how you create a vertical video. Thanks for watching.